Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete a Snapchat account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead first, open up your Snapchat app. Make sure log in with the correct account, which account you would like to delete. Now originally you will be in this kind of interface. From there you just have to tap on this profile icon on top left corner to navigate the settings. Tap on this gear icon on top right corner now and scroll till you find this delete account at the bottom of my account section. Tap on it. Tap on continue. Tap on continue again. For that you need to add a password. Go ahead, add in the password of your account. Once you added the password, tap on continue. It will ask you to reconfirm. You can go ahead, download your data of your Snapchat account beforehand for that. But you can add new password, reconfirm it, and there you go. Your account will be deleted and you're good to go. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.